Alright, let's open this box up and see what we got inside. Here we have our destructions, as I like to call them. There's all the stuff you need to mount it. Looks like you can mount it in the sheetrock, and then this must be the swivel. Here's our 10-foot cord. Plug. The outdoor stake. Here's our remote control. Oh, isn't that cute? Got a little extendable antenna on it. Here's our indoor base. Looks like that's our swivel mount. And here's the light. So, let's put this thing together like so. And this screws into here. Okay. Take our cord. And this is the side that goes here. Put it on, and then screw on our little waterproofing cap here. Then we take this, put it on our plug. Never seen a plug and all this stuff made quite like this before. Pretty cool the way it all comes apart and then you put it together. Alright, let's plug this bad boy in and see what we got. You can see the red and green. I have to pull a little plastic piece out here to get our battery to work. There we go. Now our remote control is going to work. Take the green out, red out, put the red back. Pretty interesting. Let's try the flash function. Wow. That is really cool. And then you can see you can set up your timers for how long you want the lights to stay on while that's completely programmable. So we're going to take this thing outside and show you what it looks like on our house. Alright, so we got our light mounted here. Turn back. Bam! That looks amazing. And the cool thing is I can go right in here to this bedroom window, push the button, and it shuts the light off outside. It's hard to believe that little box puts that much lights on the house. Works awesome.